Hello YouTube world, this is Uncle Fester with Shade Tree Survivalists. Going through a little bit of transition drills today. We've been out here just kind of playing around. Already made some modifications to make things work for us. We're going to do the transition drill. We're going to start off with an empty rifle, come up, load, go through the drill, and then when we run dry on the rifle, we're going to transition over to the pistol. We're going to try to see whether we can get it to work. A little rusty, first time I went through it. This is Uncle Fester with Shade Tree Survivalists signing off.